Hey guys, it's me, Random Life 18, and today's video is going to be an unboxing of the Apple Watch Series 2. So I got the 42 mil case Space Gray, aluminum sportsman black, and I'm going to be opening it for y'all guys. So let's jump into the video. So I got the watch yesterday, and I opened it and everything. Make sure everything was alright with it. And then I was like, well, I need to do an unboxing. So we're gonna unbox this Series 2 Apple Watch. And this is my first ever Apple Watch I ever owned, and I'm really excited. So I really like the boxing. It's heavy duty. So let's go. First thing is the instructions. You get an Other Sports band. That's the large. And all the instructions. Let's put that in there. Then we get the watch. Then we get the little charging cube with the charger. So that's always good. Plug this up. Just like so. Put everything. Then we got the watch. Keep in mind, guys, I already set this up and everything, so it looks like that. I did the turquoise color. I really like it a lot. But that's everything. I hope you like this video. Give it a thumbs up. And like, comment, subscribe. And if you want me to do any videos with my watch, like water test and stuff like that, comment down below. Oh, and before I go, I also got this yesterday too. It's the Defense Edger. It's supposed to protect the edges of it. I got it in gray, but it looks kind of silver, so that's good. Alright, well, bye.